15 Rules of Success. Cambridge University studied 10,000 people for 25 years. Only 4% achieved what they call true success. Today, you're stealing their 15 rules. Rule 1. The Side Effect Paradox. 2008. Musk was bankrupt. Sleeping in factories. Eating dollar meals. Why? He wasn't chasing success. He was obsessed with solving energy problems. Problem solvers earn 3.2x more than money chasers. Write down. What problem would I work on, even if I never got paid? Rule 2. The 80% bloodied knuckle rule. Harvard research. 72% of perfect projects die in development. Facebook's first code was so bad engineers laughed, but Zuck launched in 3 weeks. Set a 48-hour deadline for your next project. Ship it raw. Rule 3. The time tsunami. Neuroscience fact. After 30, time feels 17% faster each decade. By 40, you've lost 89% of your brain's peak decision-making plasticity. Play this game. What would I do if I had just 1 year to live? Do that first tomorrow. Rule 4. The lifeguard delusion. After scoring 81 points, Kobe told reporters, "I could have trained harder." Stanford study. 94% of breakthroughs happen after unfair effort thresholds. Tonight, sacrifice one comfort, Netflix/dessert, for 60 minutes of extra work. Rule 5. The chaos antidote. Billionaire Naval Ravikant makes one decision monthly. His secret? Princeton research. Clutter reduces IQ by 12 points, equivalent to losing a night's sleep. 5-minute purge. Trash 5 things in your workspace now. Rule 6. The focus multiplier. A University of London study found every notification costs you 23 minutes of deep focus. That's 4 hours lost daily for the average person. Enable Do Not Disturb for 3-hour blocks. Your brain will thank you. Rule 7. The invisible network effect. MIT study. 87% of overnight successes had secret backers you never saw on Instagram. Your network isn't who you know, it's who knows you. Today, add value to one high performer without asking for anything. Rule 8. The failure tax. University of Pennsylvania research. Every failure increases next success odds by 17%. Most quit right before the breakthrough curve. Calculate your failure ratio. Aim for 10-to-1 attempts to wins. Rule 9. The energy economy. Mayo Clinic study. Top performers sleep 19% more than average, but work 22% more intensely. It's not time management, it's energy banking. Track your peak energy hours for 3 days. Align critical work to those windows. Rule 10. The delayed ego trap. Berkeley research. Early success triples mid-career failure rates. Your 20s ego builds the prison your 40s self can't escape. Write a letter to your future arrogant self. Seal it. Open during your first big win. Rule 11. The anti-fragile code. Navy research. Those who embrace discomfort recover from setbacks 3x faster. Your comfort zone is shrinking faster than you think. Do one thing daily that scares you. Cold shower, difficult call, etc. Rule 12. The silent period. Oxford study. 92% of creative breakthroughs happen in solitude. The noise of society is designed to keep you average. Schedule 90 minutes of pure silence daily. No inputs, just thinking. Rule 13. The opportunity cost blind spot. Harvard Business Review. Every yes secretly costs you 3 to 5 future opportunities. Warren Buffett says no to 99% of deals to protect his 1%. This week, say no to 3 good opportunities to stay available for great ones. Rule 14. The identity lock-in. Stanford research. Those who tie goals to identity achieve them 11x more often. You don't do success, you become it. Rewrite one goal as, I am the type of person who. Rule 15. The 1,000-day Cold War. MIT tracked 7,000 startups. The magic number? 1,000 days. Survivors had an 83% success rate afterward. You're not failing, you're just not done yet. The ancient Greeks had 2 words for time, chronos and kairos. Chronos is the ticking clock. Kairos? Those rare moments when eternity breaks through. Your 1,000 days starts now. Smash like if you accept the challenge. Subscribe for weekly battle plans. This is Opulex. We don't motivate, we arm.